me, Leah, and I'm going to be showing you how to untack, and you're on part 2. The first thing, we always want to undo our bridle, because if we don't undo our bridle, we can't hook it on to the cross ties. So, I'm going to grab up here to the top. This time, I'm going down to the bottom. You want to unhook your hook and hook it onto your horse. That way he doesn't run away. So then, there is a loop right over here that you hook the cross ties on. You just can't see it. So, you want to grab your girth and pull it down like that. You want to take your girth and put it up, put it up here like that. Like that. You want to grab your horn and pick it up and slide it down. Now, I'm not going to put this on the rack just yet. Well, I'm not putting it where it goes right now. Actually, I will. I was going to put it on one of my racks, but never mind. So, I just swing it up on my thing that it goes on. I'm not really sure what it's called. But, now we just wiggle this off gently. We're going to want to hurt the horse by taking that saddle panel. Okay. Alright. And that's how you untack. And sometimes you can groom. And sometimes if you don't want to, you don't have to. But anyways, I will groom off camera because I got to do some stuff I got to do around the farm. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Subscribe too. Make sure you don't forget that. And thumbs up. Bye.